Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Clinton County in south-central Kentucky, Russell County in south-central Kentucky, northeastern Cumberland County in south-central Kentucky, south-central Casey County in central Kentucky, southeastern Adair County in south-central Kentucky, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 3:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles east of Burkesville, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour.
Ooh.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Jamestown around 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued dealing with medical bills. 9th through October.
Related to that.
The National Weather Service in Jackson, Kentucky has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Wayne County, southwestern Pulaski County until 5 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Steubenville or near Monticello, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Steubenville around 4:30 p.m. Real Springs around 4:35 p.m. Naomi around 4:40 p.m. Fraser around 4:45 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Bronson and Burnside. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky, Pulaski, and Wayne. The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a flash flood warning for northern Miami-Dade County in southeastern Florida until 10 p.m. At 8:05 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Miami, Miami Beach, Surfside, Miami Gardens, North Miami Beach, Aventura, Sunny Isles Beach, Opa-locka, Miami Shores, North Bay Village, El Portal, Golden Glades, Pinewood, Oches, Westview, Little Haiti, Hard Rock Stadium, West Little River, and Gladeview. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Before.
Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. The following is a flood advisory.
Well then.
Severe thunderstorm warning for Fayette County.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Clark County and central Kentucky, Bourbon Bourbon County in central Kentucky, Nicholas County in central Kentucky, northeastern Fayette County in central Kentucky, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Bryan Station, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Well, this is not
The
radar
following
indicated. We
impacts
just
are
got hailed
expected.
right outside our
Damage
house.
to vehicles is expected. This the nat and it's here. The National Weather Service in Louisville has Eastern Standard Time. Sound like at double one again. Lightning hour. Threat. Eastern. North. Understood by lightning. Showers. Lows in the
Oh, I just got that. Finally, it's about time I'd get my first actual proper alert. What was that? Anderson. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Focus. Okay, you can't really see it, but it says Woodford. We are in for a show, ladies and gents.